Hi everybody, I'm Mr. Chad Roberts. I'm one of the two counselors here at Frank Mitchell Intermediate School. I'm looking forward to getting to know you all throughout the year. Here's a little bit about myself. I'm originally from New York. I was born and raised there, but I have lived in Arkansas for about 11 years now. It's been an amazing time and I wouldn't trade it for anything. This is my 6th year as counselor and second at Frank Mitchell. Last year was my best year in education, and this year is going to be even better. This is my 12th year in education, so I've been doing this for a very long time. I've been married for over 15 years. My wife and I live in Searcy right now, but hopefully we'll get to move closer real soon. I play Xbox and I love to talk video games. Those of you who are gamers as well, come on by. I'll talk to you about video games anytime. I also love hockey and baseball. My favorite teams are the New York Islanders and New York Yankees. How can I help you? Well, I can help you in a variety of different ways. With your academics, that's your schoolwork. Do you need help with studying? I can give you some tips. Maybe organization. I've even done some tutoring in the past. Maybe you're having a little trouble making friends. Or maybe you're in the middle of a fight with one of your best friends. Come to me, we can work those issues out. We can even start working on career skills. We can talk about what things you want to do when you get older, and we can talk about what we can do now to make those goals a reality. We'll also be working with character counts, and we're going to talk about that in just a moment. I do individual counseling, which means one-on-one, and that's just when you have a problem you want to come see me, we'll talk about it. Almost anything you need, I'm here for you. Small group counseling as well. That's 2 to 3 students at a time, and maybe you all need to talk about the same issue, or maybe you're all involved in something together. Either way, we can work it out. We can talk about anything that's going on in class as well. During recess, I'll be out in the courtyard with you as much as possible. Same with the morning and afternoon in the hallways. That's the time to just say hi, tell me how your day has been, tell me a little bit about yourself, and a great way for me to get to know you. When you do visit, please have a pass. We want to make sure someone in the building knows where you are and your teacher knows that you're out of the classroom for a reason. In counseling, we're going to set some goals, so this way we can help resolve whatever is troubling you. You are welcome to set an appointment. Our schedules do get a little crazy sometimes, and an appointment guarantees that we're going to be able to see you at a certain time. But we also take walk-ins if you need it with a pass. I am at Valonia Middle School on most Fridays, so unfortunately Fridays I won't be here, but Monday through Thursday I'm here to focus 100% on you all. What we talk about during counseling stays in the counseling setting, except for a few things. If someone is being hurt, you, a friend, or someone at home, if you're going to hurt someone else, or you're thinking about hurting yourself. Safety is number one here at Frank Mitchell, so those are the things I do have to tell and make a report on. These are the 6 pillars of character. You're going to hear these words a lot throughout the year, including the next couple of weeks. So please be mindful, get to know what these are all about, and use these to become the best person that you can be. The character quote of the day: parents can only give good advice or put them on the right path, but the final forming of a person's character lies in their own hands. That's by Anne Frank. I hope you all have a great first day, and I want to get to know every one of you, so come see me. All right? Let's go Eagles.